Good afternoon, student. Today, again, we will discuss the chapter 5, friction. In the last session, we have discussed the definition of friction and detail about friction. Also discuss in the previous session cause of friction. And today I am going to discuss factors affecting friction. Factors affecting friction. It means on which factors does friction depend. So let us discuss in detail about friction and its factor. The force between two surfaces in contact depends on the extent of their roughness or smoothness. As we discussed earlier, two surfaces, that means ground and ball, ground and tires of any vehicles. These are two surfaces that are in contact with each other. The force of friction between them depends on the extent of their roughness or smoothness. Roughness or smoothness. Roughness means rukhda. Smoothness means smooth, yani chikna in Hindi. That is smooth. The force of friction is greater where rougher surfaces are involved. The force of friction is greater where rougher surfaces are involved. जब रोड खराब होती है तो उस रोड में साइकिल चलाना, कार चलाना या कोई भी व्हीकल्स रन करना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाता है. Why? Due to force of friction is greater where rougher surfaces are involved. Road are rougher. The smoother the surface, the smaller is the force of friction between them. If ground or any surface is smoother, then a smaller is the force of friction between two surface. अगर सरफेस स्मूथर है, स्लिपरी है, चिकना है, रफनेस बहुत ही कम है, then we can say that a smaller is the force of friction कम लगेगा. So we can say that the force of friction between two surfaces depends on the nature of the surfaces in contact. I repeat once again, the force of friction between two surfaces, ground and tires of vehicles, anything. You walk on the road, it means ground and your feet. Also, the force of friction between two surfaces depends on the nature of the surfaces in contact. Nature of the surfaces in contact. Let us understand it also with an activity. See the activity 2. This is based upon factors affecting friction. To understand also force of friction with this activity, let take a block of wooden board, wooden block, and one a spring balance. There is an hook and tie the a spring balance with it. See, tie a spring balance with wooden block or board. Pull the block by a spring balance as shown in figure. Note down the reading on the spring balance. When you pull the spring balance which is attached to the block, when you applied the force on the board, your force must be seen in this spring. Note down the reading on the spring balance when you pull the spring balance. When the block just begins to move, it gives a measurement of the force of friction between the surface of block and the floor. When you pull the spring balance, note the reading. What is the measurement of force of friction? Applied force in this direction, in the forward direction, and force of friction is here in the backward direction. Now keep a book on the block. You just place a book on the above of this block here. Again pull the block by the spring balance. Book is here, block is under the book. You applied more force. Again pull the block by spring balance. Note down the reading. Do you observe any difference in the reading of the spring balance in the above two cases? In the first cases, what will observe in your reading, and in the second case, what will observe in the second reading? Is there any difference in the reading? Yes. When a body moves over a horizontal surface, that is the horizontal surface, it presses down against the surface. It presses down a surface by a force equal to its weight. Weight applied downwards, perpendicular. When a body moves over a horizontal surface, it presses down against the surface by a force equal to weight. Force means weight. The formula of weight is mass into acceleration due to gravity, m into g. The force applied on this, which is seen in the spring balance, is equal to weight. The force of friction increases with increase in the weight. जब आप बुक इस पर रख दिए तो वेट बढ़ गया. The force of friction increases with increase in the weight. वेट बढ़ा, force of friction भी बढ़ा. Hence, in the second case, when the book is above the block, in the second case, reading of the spring balance would be more. In the first case, reading will be less. In the first case, reading will be the less, and in the second case, the force of friction is more. Then reading of the spring balance would be more in the case of first. Hence, from this activity, which I have seen earlier, the force of friction is seen to depend on the magnitude of the force, weight, pressing the two surfaces together. From the activity, we observe the force of friction is seen to depend on the magnitude of the force. Magnitude of the force. Magnitude of force is measured in Newton. Magnitude of the force, yani weight, pressing the two surfaces together. Two surfaces, once again I repeat, ground and block, table and block of wood. So, lastly, we can now say that force of friction depends on, first, nature of the two surfaces in contact, and second, force affecting force pressing the two surfaces together. Force of friction depends upon nature of the two surfaces in contact. Nature, a smoother the surface or rougher the surface, you can say. And second, force affecting, pressing means weight. Force affecting the two surfaces together. So, परीक्षा में इस तरह के क्वेश्चन हमेशा पूछे जाते हैं. ऑन व्हाट फैक्टर्स डज द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन डिपेंड? ऑन व्हाट फैक्टर्स द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन डिपेंड? You can write nature of the two surfaces in contact and force affecting the two surfaces together. Okay.